Looking at the engine bay, looks really good, nice and clean. Now the flickering here is just in camera, it's not in person. You can see it kind of stopping as I got closer. Steering wheel's nice and straight. Transmission shifts good. When you apply the brakes, the steering wheel doesn't shake or anything. What's going on, guys? Nick here at Exotic Motorsports in Oklahoma, and today we're going to do a quick visual condition report on this beautiful GLC 43. Looking at this wheel, I do not see any curb rash. There is a chip right here on that spoke though. And then looking at the fender, got a little rock chip there and a small one here, and that has been touched up. The rest of that fender looks amazing. Making our way down the side of this vehicle, I do not see any dings or gashes. It's all very minor cosmetic stuff. A couple little imperfections here on the side mirror. And when we look at this beltline molding, it looks like some hard water, maybe from a sprinkler, sat on it too long and kind of etched it. And so you're gonna see these little specks just down the side of the beltline molding there. These doors look amazing. Here on this plastic fender flare, you can see a small scuff down the side. A little paint transfer of some sort. It looks kind of a little blue color. It's very minor, it didn't really gash it up. This wheel looks amazing. Quarter panel looks good. This side of the vehicle looks really nice. Here on the front end, starting with the hood, we do have 3 gashes right there that have been touched up, about 1 inch long. And then you're gonna have some rock chips every once in a while. Most of those have been touched up. Looking at the front clip here, you're going to see some rock impacts and typical rock chips. And then right here is a little crease in the plastic. It's very minor. Got a few rock chips up here. Overall though, this front end looks really good. Looking at the front left wheel here, I do not see any curb rash. We have a little scuff there. The rest of that fender looks good. A couple scuffs on the side mirror. You can see a little stain right here on the paint, probably from some bird poop or a bug that sat on it too long and etched it. You're going to have some fingernail scratches and typical scuffs around the door handle area. And once again, the beltline molding, it has those spots on it. You have a couple scuffs right here. You can see a few small scuffs there, very minor. There are 2 little gashes right there. They did chip the paint. One right here that's been touched up. And a few very small scuffs. This plastic has a few indentions and scuffs on it. That wheel looks amazing. Quarter panel looks good. And here in the cargo area, it is power. You got the button up here. The carpets look good. You have a shade right here, a little cover. So you can put stuff in here and you cannot see it when the hatch is closed. And then looking on the back bumper here, you have a scratch that's been touched up. Some really minor scuffs every once in a while. couple more touch-up spots. Rest of that looks really good. Checking out the interior, it is a non-smoker and it smells really good in here, and it is very clean. They definitely took care of it, and you can tell. Memory seating here, heated cool seats. All these buttons look perfect. You got power folding side mirrors. Looking on this lower side, we have a few very small scuffs. Kick plate area looks good. This bolster looks awesome. You have a little bit of wear right here, but otherwise, those seats look really good. I don't see any other scuffs or scratches. You can see the cushion's nice and soft. I don't see anything that's worn out. Got a few scuffs on the side of the steering wheel here. Those are super minor though. These buttons look perfect. You got the 360 camera, 82,000 miles. And for 82,000 miles, this interior looks phenomenal. Got a little scuff on the wood grain right here. You got a little scratch right there. The rest of this looks awesome. The front passenger door panel looks awesome. You got your memory seating, heated and cooled. I don't see any scuffs or scratches on it. Kick plate area looks good. Those carpets look nice. You can see the AMG logo is really clean. It's not dirty or anything. These seats look phenomenal. I don't see any scuffs or scratches or wear that stands out. You can see that bolster is really clean. Got the massive panoramic roof. Dash looks good over here. I don't see any scuffs on the plastics. The back right door panel looks good. All of this is really clean. Besides a few little indentions in the leather, maybe from car seats, they look awesome. I don't see any scuffs or scratches that stand out. The seat backs look really good.